So here we are today with my Lincoln Continental. Alrighty. So this video is if you have a Lincoln or Ford that if you have a check engine light, all of a sudden hesitation when you start the car after getting gas, or just a random, it feels like it's a misfire after getting gas, or sometimes while you're just driving and you're idling and you feel the car bucking some. Now I just got gas, and let's try and start the car and see what happens. This happens every time I get gas, and I know what to replace, so let's go from there. Alright, so I just added a little bit of gas. Let's start the car. Well, normally it didn't start up the first time. See the check engine light, it's running, but you can see the car's shaking. It's going whoop, 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 whoop. So let's get back home and see what we're working with. So this is the old part here. This is the brand new part. It doesn't register through, what do you call it? Advance Auto Parts doesn't carry the part at all, and AutoZone does not register this part as compatible at all. But we'll put it on, get it installed. Clips, one clip in there, one here, and two on this end here. Just the electrical connector, and then this connector here. So let's install the new one. So I'll take this cover off. See how they match? Oop, oop. Take that one off. Snake it through inside here. Can you see that? I'll plug this one up. Push the clip in. Plug this one up. Clips in. There's a little spot for this grommet to go in, which is right in there.
I didn't see it.
Right in there. That thing. Push it down in here so it stays placed. Put this clip in. Clip. And then the electrical connector. So you have one, two, three vacuum, if you want to call them connectors, or one electrical connector, and then you're done. And next time we gas up, we'll see if we have a problem starting the car. Change my oil. That's it, done. Are you still recording? Part number PV967, Duralast PV967 through AutoZone. So here we are a few days later as as the problem continues. Alright, here we go. Started no problem. And likely that check engine light will go away here shortly after I put a couple miles on it, because before the check engine light would cut on and cut off randomly, but I'm pretty confident it'll go off completely. I'm gonna cut it off and cut it back on real quick. Started right up, no problem. And normally when I got fuel, I would have a lot of shaking and misfiring until I started driving a little bit and warmed it up, and the idle is pretty consistent. I'm not seeing any hopping or anything like that, so yeah, this is great. I found this out from one of the Lincoln and Ford 3.0 turbo groups, and I'm happy to share with everybody. This is definitely worth every penny. The part cost about, I believe it was $60, $59.99 from AutoZone. Again, refer back to the beginning of the video for the part number, and I'll comment when the check engine light goes off shortly, and let you guys know. But yeah, started up, no problem. I'm feeling good. Now time to drive. Y'all have a good day, and I'll see you on the next one.